Hi, welcome to the Central Washington Play and Learn channel on YouTube. We hope you enjoy this video, and if you want to keep up to date with this channel, please click subscribe.
Today's activity is Play-Doh with toddlers. For this activity, you will need 1 to 2 containers of Play-Doh and a few cookie cutters. Start with a stable, flat surface like a low table or even on the floor. And if you want to make for easy cleanup, you can consider placing a plastic tarp or a tablecloth beneath the play area. Assist your child in opening the Play-Doh container. Model squeezing, squishing, rolling, and flattening out the Play-Doh for your child. Also, model using the cookie cutters to cut out the Play-Doh. Children love Play-Doh. It's soft, squishy, and they can make almost anything out of it. Perhaps what makes it so appealing is that it's relaxing and therapeutic. When a child molds with Play-Doh, their experience is almost always positive. There is no right or wrong way to do it, so they can always feel successful with their own creations. As children work on their creations, they form new ideas and concepts. They will learn new words such as roll, squeeze, flatten. If your child is taking the Play-Doh and mashing it around into the table, you can say something like, "You're mashing the Play-Doh." Take it a step further by following your child's lead and mashing the Play-Doh with them as well. "Now I'm mashing the Play-Doh." Most young children love it when adults appreciate and follow their lead.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to click the like button and subscribe to this page. Thank you.